Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla, my channel about Tesla cars and also about driving in Hong Kong. Today I want to share with you about charging up the battery to 100%. Is it a good idea or should you avoid it? As with most things, it depends on the situation because there are times when you do need to charge up to 100%. Granted, these times are few and far between, but for instance, if you need to go on a long road trip and really need the range, then by all means charge up to 100%. For most other cases, it does not make sense to charge above 80 or even 90%, let alone 100%. So recently I decided to charge up to 100%. And immediately after I realized it didn't make sense. As soon as I drove off in my Tesla, I noticed I no longer had any regen braking. Logical if you think about it. So that's a good reason why you shouldn't charge up to 100%. There's no regen braking, and also it will be less energy efficient. Another reason is if you continually charge up to 100%, you will reduce the battery's health or its longevity. I've gotten a bit spoiled by driving my Tesla in Hong Kong that I've forgotten just how bad it is to be a passenger, especially sitting in a Hong Kong taxi. Here I am being pushed, pulled and jerked, if I may use that word, jerked around the car as the taxi driver shows off his lead foot. I'm trying to hold my iPhone steady as he drives and stops and brakes really hard. This is not fun. If you've reached this far, please subscribe if you like and click notify if you please. Thank you.